To the right, we have the 93 Ford Probe wheel hub with bearing. Welcome back to Dina Machines. That red thing back there is an FD RX7. It needs a front right wheel bearing. This guy has to tear that wheel off, and I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. So let's do this. Style. 35mm. Pro tip, you can use your jack handle for more leverage. And she's free. Yeah. Oh, the dog is barking again. We're just gonna have to deal. That's the water in there is not a good sign. Oh. Maybe it's a good thing we do this. I've got new nuts too. Everybody loves a new nut. All right, a couple of 17s and you got the caliper off of. Off comes the caliper. All right, take the rotor off the hub. Wheel bearing off. Yeah, I'll say that's due. Whew. Clunky. Due for a new one. We actually have a wheel stud to replace in the rear of the old 80s car. That's a bit more involved than this. That requires taking the whole spindle off and taking it to a machine shop. Or I guess I could take it to our fab shop at my office. Here we have the original FD hub and wheel bearing assembly off the front of my 92 FD. To the right we have the 93 Ford Probe wheel hub with bearing. I think this is technically the center bore, a little bit smaller than on here, but bolt pattern's the same and it seems like everything fits exactly the same. So we'll throw it on our FD and see how it does. Here we have FD hub. Fits kind of loose, which is okay. It's not a big concern. Then we have the Ford Probe hub. Okay, whatever. Both of these are similar in construction, if I can get it in frame. I don't see a problem with running the Ford Probe hub on the car, especially if we get rid of this mess. My car is the ABS deleted on it, so I don't think that would be an issue because the gear teeth look the same, positioning looks the same. So let's do this. Ford Probe hub on an FD. Huh. Well, okay. Huge shout out to jauto.net. I have found that they've been the best source for all the little knick-knack stuff. Nuts on there. This actually gets torqued down to 150 some odd foot-pounds. So let's get to torquing. And of course you gotta come in here, put your notch in your nut. Notch your nuts, everybody. That should keep it from going anywhere, I would hope. Brand new wheel bearing on the old turd box. I should probably replace that tie rod and maybe put a new cotter pin in it. Unfortunately, we don't have the time today to do that. Not a problem. Not driving the car really right now, but we've got new tie rod ends. I got a new upper control arm because this bolt is screwy, and I think for now we should just throw the car back together and call it a day. The rotor fits nicely onto that hub, so I think we're good to go. I don't think there's gonna be a problem there. So let's set you up in a time lapse and slap this thing back together really quick. There you go. You can put a 1993 Ford Probe wheel hub and bearing on your car, your FD3S, that is. So if you like this stuff, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. We got plenty of projects around here. We got a Nova for sale, we got 2 FDs, we got turbo Volvos, we got a 67 Amazon, we got Miatas. Steam the machines, man. How about you go out in your garage, you fix something, huh?
Why?
How are you gonna ask a guy why is his face like that? I'm stuck with this, honey. I mean,
that's not what I meant.
You don't. It doesn't get any better than this on my end, anyway. I don't.
You could always wear makeup.
I could. I've tried it. It still doesn't work.
That's too bad.
Yeah.
Style.